Alright guys, today we are going to be swapping out, we're going to be making mounts actually for turn signals. These guys sit recessed into there, and the new ones I got stick out a little bit more, so what we're going to do is we're going to make little plates that fit in here. We're going to make one for the front side, one for the back side. We're going to drill a hole through them, so that way the turn signal itself will hold that in place. I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. But in the meantime, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna use this as a template since it fits perfectly in there. We're gonna use this as a template to make our plates. So let's see what we got. All right, so these are the new signals that I've got. As you can see, they're pretty heavy duty. These are have an aluminum body. This piece is all one piece that goes in there. It's got the LED board, and these wires are soldered to that, feed through here. But what we're going to do is we're going to make a plate that goes here. We're going to slide it through, we're going to make a plate that goes here, and then we're going to bolt it, and these clamping that together should hold it to the fairing. So let's get making some plates. Like I said, we're going to use this guy as a template. We're going to make 4 of them. We're going to make 2 for each side. Alright, so we're going to start out here and just roughly draw what size we need for these guys. So it needs to be about yay, about yay. So we're gonna make 4 plates. We're gonna drill a hole through them and screw them all together, and then we'll shape them all at the same time with the grinder. Use our square here. Try and do our best to make straight lines. These don't have to be perfect. Like I said, we're just going to use these as kind of a base, and then we're going to try to shape them from there. You know what? I think these will be easier to just make 2. So do it like that. And we'll copy and paste. That's about 1 3/4 inches up. So we'll go 1 3/4 inches up. Okay. Go by yay. Right, engage your safety squints. There it is in place. Once I get this all painted white, that'll blend right in. Turn signal will go through there. This guy will go on the back here. Like so. Go through there, that bolt will pinch those and hold that together. So I'm soldering up the factory plug to the LED turn signals I got. You got the black with the stripe is ground. The other side is your hot. Since it is a diode, you gotta make sure and get it the right way, otherwise it won't work. It'll only flow in one direction. I'll show you guys what I do with this to try and get it in there. The nut is too big to fit over the plug, so I had to kind of mess with it, but I'll show you guys here in a minute, and hopefully I got this baby just about done. Alright, so I got an LED turn signal flasher as well. As you can see, here's the back of the bike. It plugs in right here. The stock one plugs in right here. This one looks just exactly like the stock one, but it's got different electronics, so it'll work the LED flashers. If you don't get something like this, your LEDs might flash really, really fast, or not very bright, or I was having issues where it would come on and stay on. They just don't pull enough amperage to run properly, so it causes some issues. Here you can see the signals I got on the back, same set. I built these little tabs. See if I can block the sun here. I built these little tabs here out of metal. When I hacked the back of this off, I bolted them to some of the support bolts here. It's just a little right angle with a hole drilled in it, and then painted black to kind of blend in and protect it from rust. It's these on the back. Let's see how bright they are. As you can see, they're not terrifically bright. In the sun, you can't hardly see it. The shade, you can tell what's going on. Alright, so to get these in here, we gotta feed this one in. We gotta turn that nut just a little bit sideways. Turn that plate just sideways there and slide it in. And then line everything up. Got us a turn signal, boys. All right, guys, so we have got the SV650 fairing all painted. We got it clear coated. I'm starting to assemble this bitch for the last time, hopefully. Got the lights put in here, and I want to show you the turn signal setup here. So we got turn signal, goes through the plate. On this side, there's another plate. There's a nut. You screw that down and it holds it in place. These plates are done. It looks sweet. Can't wait to get it on the bike and get cruising. It's gonna be good. Alright guys, that's it for the turn signal video. More to be coming your way as soon as I get this baby on there. We'll see you guys soon.